Hey friends, if you wish to sign in rewards from Bing search app, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, first of all, go to bing.com and hit enter. So Bing rewards will appear at the top right corner here. You can straight away click on them and check these rewards and also redeem them, or you can go to the dashboard, which will take you to the rewards.bing.com website. Okay, you will have to log into it. Let us just skip it. Okay, and then you can access your Bing rewards here. Actually, it's called Microsoft Rewards, and Bing is only a subset to it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.